OK, so this is my favorite one. And the reason why this is my favorite is because, Amy, a lot of students have trouble with this one. And I think they get a lot of trouble, especially it's one that if you guys break down and you get used to, it can become very, very easy to work through. But it's one that you guys have to be able to kind of sit back and relax and think about what exactly is the question asking and what are the things that I know and do not know. OK, George? So I'm going to say it to you guys really quickly, and then we'll break it down really slowly. So it says, at a certain store, item A costs $4 more than item B, and item B costs twice as much as item C. If M is the cost of item C in dollars, what is the cost of item A in dollars? So the first time I read that for Tansy, I really don't know what it's asking or what I'm supposed to be doing. So then I realized, I said, all right, well, they're talking about 3 different items. So I'm going to go ahead and write that out. I have item A, item B, and item C. All right? Now, let's just kind of go back through and read them again a little bit slowly. Just the first sentence. At a certain store, item A costs $4 more than item B. Item B costs twice as much as item C. Now, remember, guys, you look at these answers, or even when you're looking at a word problem, we need to create an equation. And to create an equation, we need to create a variable. We need to create a variable off of what we do not know. So let's look at our 3 items. If you guys look at that first sentence, out of these 3 items, what is the only item we have absolutely no information about? C. So guess what? I'm going to have C be my variable x. I have nothing to talk about with C. The only thing I know about item B is 2 times C. And the only thing I know about item A is that is 4 more than B. So it's going to be one you're going to want to work backwards, but you've got to be able to identify what is it you do not know. And we do not know what item C is. Now, it does say if M is the cost of item C in dollars. So then they say, well, we don't want you to use x. We want you to use M. So then I replace M for x. If M is the cost of C in dollars, what is the cost of item A in dollars? Well, 2M plus 4, which is letter C.